Hi everyone, welcome to Poolin Embroidery Studio. Today I'll be teaching you how to create applique embroidery using the Poolin EOC06. I'll show you plenty of tips to help you reduce mistakes, especially for beginners. Make sure to watch until the end. This will make your embroidery journey much easier. Let's get started. Before starting this project, we need to prepare some essential materials: a hoodie, some fabric for the applique, a fusible stabilizer, which I got from the Ritual website, the largest embroidery hoop, size 7.9 inch by 11 inch. The design I'll be embroidering was also downloaded from the Ritual website. Scissors for trimming as needed. Lastly, we'll need a few small tools like chalk and a ruler to make the embroidery placement. If the embroidery design is cropped or positioned too high or too low, it can ruin the overall look. That's why proper placement is so important. First, we need to find the center of the garment. Fold the garment in half lengthwise, then unfold it. It will create a faint crease, which marks the center line. I'll use chalk to mark this line. From the printed PDF file, we can see that the design is 16.3 cm in height and 20.2 cm in width. Using a ruler, I'll measure and mark the center point of the embroidery placement with chalk. Now let's move over to the computer. I've already inserted the USB drive into my computer. The EOC06 supports embroidery file formats like DST or DSB, and I usually download the DST format. I'll now transfer the file to the USB drive. Next, let's switch to the embroidery control panel. I'll import the custom design into the machine via USB. Since this design is quite large, I'll choose an embroidery hoop size that closely matches the design dimensions. This one looks a perfect fit. Next, let's hoop the fabric. The embroidery hoop consists of a top and bottom frame. The first thing I need to do is cut the stabilizer, making sure I have a piece large enough to cover the bottom frame. For this project, I'm using fusible stabilizer. So I'll flip the garment over and use it to better secure the fabric in place, preventing any shifting during the embroidering and ensuring a cleaner finish. Once the stabilizer is in place, I'll start positioning the bottom frame inside the garment. Be sure to loosen the screws slightly. Position the areas facing up, attach the outer frame to the inner frame, and then tighten the screws. Ensure the embroidery area is flat and taut, but avoid overstretching. Now let's attach the hoop to the machine. At this point, the needle position is set to the center of the hoop. So we need to carefully move the needle to the center point we marked earlier. Once it is aligned, press the Start button to confirm the embroidery position. Start embroidery. It will start with the first stitch embroidery, and after the first pass, we will need to put our applique material. Now that the outline of the design is complete, let's take the applique fabric. Apply a layer of fusible webbings to the back. Use the iron to press it. Then peel off the paper and position it onto the garment where it fits best. The machine will start embroidering again. After the second stitch embroidery, take out your scissors and cut along the edge of the stitch. I think I'll start by trimming the large areas first and then work on the details. See, this is what it looks like after I'm done. Now I still need to load it onto the machine again to finish the final embroidery. This method works perfectly on baby onesies, bags, clothes, scarves, or even special gifts. Of course, there are also many popular applique designs like Mama or Gigi, but you can design any pattern you like. Use this applique technique to make your garments truly unique. Oh my god, this looks so cool. I love this design. Now let's take a look at the back. Just trim a few loosened threads here and there, and it will be absolutely perfect. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you want to transform your own garments, grab your machine and give it a try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. If you have any questions or even better ideas, feel free to leave a comment and I'll reply to each one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.